Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to learn to drive for free. That's right, I'll be telling you how to get driving school at no cost to you. Now, so many people, they get fed up and they complain about the cost of driving school. Now, I personally, full disclosure, I went to driving school and I think that it's totally worth it. And I think that you should go to a physical driving school to learn how to drive. You might be required to, but even if you're not required to, I do highly recommend it. But if the cost is too much for you and you don't want to pay that cost and you want to learn how to drive for free, then I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. And that is take advantage of the plethora of online resources that are being offered to you right now. You see, when I went to driving school, the internet wasn't really huge. It was there, but it wasn't really a huge thing. It was just coming out with regards to the public. It was just starting to really get public, and it was just becoming mainstream. And even to access it, I mean, for the most part, people had a home computer with dial-up internet, so it wasn't as accessible. But right now, you can take out your phone, you can head onto YouTube, you can head onto websites, and you can learn how to drive in your car using your data plan or connected to Wi-Fi. So you can literally watch someone teach you how to drive, and as they're teaching you how to drive, you can just do it in your car. You can learn how to do it with your steering wheel in front of you. That's a huge bonus. That's a huge plus. I myself have released hundreds, probably over 1,000 by now, of driving videos. I'm probably well over 1,000 driving videos, but definitely hundreds. If I'm not over 1,000, I'm close to 1,000. So if you search driving tutorials online, you're probably going to see my face. And they're all free. I've offered them all. Like, I'm not charging for anything. They're all for free on my YouTube channel. And you can do this and watch videos. And even if you don't watch my videos, hey, I won't take offense. There are many other great driving instructors on YouTube, on websites that own their own websites, that have written tutorials, that have infographic tutorials that will teach you exactly how to drive for free. So my suggestion to you is, if you don't want to do driving school for one reason or another, especially if it's because of the cost, I totally get it. I understand. And my thing is that go online and take advantage of these resources. If you sit there and you say, well, driving school is too expensive, so I'm just not going to learn how to drive, complain, no one's going to like you. Instead, take advantage of the plethora of resources that you have at your fingertips and go and learn how to drive for free. Like, I'm telling you, someone could probably literally go from not learning how to drive at all, not knowing anything about driving, to being like a professional driver just based on video tutorials and free resources on the internet. So if you want to learn how to drive for free, if you want your own little driving school at no cost, if you want your little vocational learning experience, go online, search things up, take advantage of the resources that you have at your fingertips, and you'll be able to truly get exactly what you need. Even if you want to improve on only one skill, like let's say parallel parking, instead of going and paying for all of driving school, you can just learn how to parallel park specifically using a variety of videos and a variety of websites. So it's as simple as that. That's how to learn to drive for free, how to get driving school at no cost to you. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.